Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss first topic is RPA. So what is RPA? Robotic Process Automation. So coming to the definition, it is a technology that uses software bots to automate repeated tasks. So which are rule based on the computers, just like human beings. So the robots will mimic the human actions and it will execute the process very faster and without any mistakes. So how RPA works? So an RPA bot interacts with the application just like the we humans how we log into the application, read data from the files, emails or updates. So it will process the information using rules. So it will enter the data into another system. So and also it will generate the reports and send emails. So it works through the user interface without changing the underlying software. So, a simple example, imagine an employee who works every day on downloads invoice from email, copies data into the Excel and uploads it into the accounting system. So, these actions will be mimicked by the RPA bots. So, with RPA, a bot automatically reads the email and extracts the invoice details and enters them into the accounting software. So, and it will save the report as well. So this can reduce hours of work with a few minutes. So common uses of RPA. So businesses use RPA for tasks like data entry and data migration and invoice processing and payroll processing. So customer onboarding, report generation, email automation. So we have industries using RPA are like banking, healthcare, insurance, telecom, and e-commerce. These are the industries where RPA are used. So popular RPA tools. So some well-known RPA platforms includes UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, and Microsoft Power Automate. So what are the benefits using RPA? So it will save the time and reduce human errors works. So 24 by 7 improves and productivity and it will reduce the operational cost for the company. So that's all about RPA. So thanks for watching the videos. Subscribe for the next videos.